Scott at Pro Country Auction Service. We're in Durand, Wisconsin. We're at the Durand Bakery, and we're going to be having the online auction selling all of the bakery equipment here in the Durand Bakery. This one ends Wednesday, October 1st. And man, I tell you what, we got a lineup of great bakery equipment. If you are looking for some of that equipment that was made, let's say 40, 50, 60, 70 years ago, the stuff that was made to last, we've got it here. If you've got any sort of a nostalgia in you, if you're trying to do anything with bread, anything with cooking dough, and you want it good, we've got it here. It's the good, it's the heavy stuff. And you're certainly going to want to take a look at this sale. So again, this auction features many, many great pieces. Let's go ahead and take a look. All right, that does it. That's what we got coming up on the October 1st online auction here in Durand, Wisconsin. Again, it's the Durand Bakery. Our open house is Friday, September 26th. Come on in and take a look. You're certainly going to want to do that. And for more information and to get them bids in now, you go to ProCountryAuction.com.